Hi everybody, I'm Jerry, and I'm pretty excited because I was just sent this, which is a massive 9,000 BTU mini split system that not only heats and cools, but can also dehumidify and have a fan function. It does everything that you're going to need to either heat or cool up to 450 square feet. It came packaged extremely well. Everything in here is made in a nice metal case. It didn't have any damage on it and came packaged in two separate boxes. Now this is a high energy efficient unit, so it's going to work year round, has easy do-it-yourself installation with do-it-yourself controls on here. They provide you with absolutely everything in this kit, from all the wiring to the copper piping. This copper pipe actually is 5 feet worth of copper pipe that is all pre-insulated and all ready to go. Now this is not a charged unit. You will have to charge this up once you get it connected, but the instruction guide that they have is fantastic. It does cover all the steps on what you need to do if you were going to try to take on doing this yourself. Loving the fact that they provide things like the template back here that is used to mount this piece here, which is your head unit that actually goes inside on the wall. Details, you know, the devil's in the details on this thing. This comes off. This actually has a built-in leveling gauge on the back of this, so you can see exactly if you're off level, needs to be level. So you can, once you mount that on, you know that it's secure. You know the template's there. Easy to hang this part then. Nice built-in mesh screen. On the bottom part of this has an opening here that can oscillate and open up and close. It'll close when it's done, sealing that off, which is nice, a nice flush design. So it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's also extremely quiet operation. They also do send you with all of the power cables that you need. Now this is a 220 volt unit, so it will have to get hooked into a 220. All of the parts on this though, as far as the fins and everything, are extremely well maintained, and all of the external parts over here where everything connects in for the outside unit, condenser unit, are all nice and shielded to where whenever you're connecting all these pipes in, you take these off, and that allows you to connect your power and also your vacuum hoses in there as well. Now they do provide you with the batteries. They do come with this nice remote, which also acts as your thermostat. You can easily use this to set for your auto, your cool, your dry, your heat, or your fan setting on this. It even has nighttime modes that allow you to turn on and off the indicator that will show you the temperature range. And this will range anywhere from 60 degrees to 90 degrees. So as far as comfort level, you can set that anywhere that you want. And the full system will actually operate all the way down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. So even in the deep up cold, it'll actually be able to produce heat still, which is fantastic, all the way up to 140 degrees. Lastly, they do provide you with a drain hose, which is extremely long, which you'll have to drain any condensate that you get from this head unit outside as well. All the piping will fit out a hole in the wall that you'll make. They even provide you with the collar cover, the tape to wrap the cables in, a lot of tape to wrap the cables in, and even some putty that you will use to fill the gap of the hole. So everything you need in this complete kit is ready to go for you and set up to keep you warm or cool.